Hello everyone. My name is Lily, and I'm here with another quick Facebook tutorial video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to unlock your Facebook account. Whenever your Facebook account has been locked and you're seeing this, or you can't just log in, it's most likely due to just a few issues. Perhaps there may have been some unusual activity on your account, perhaps you're just logging in through an unidentified device, or that you've been simply attempting to log in and you somehow keep screwing up the password. So now it's getting locked for your personal security, so whatever the cause is, I'll show you how to fix this. If you're seeing this, make absolutely sure you're using a device that Facebook recognizes, such as your smartphone, tablet, or desktop. This will make it a lot easier to log into your account since you'll essentially have to show Facebook that you really are who you say you are. It's easier to do it on a device that you've logged into several times, and that's one way that helps with the whole process. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So now the reason for this is that there's some unusual activity. So all you want to do is tap this Get Started button and it'll take you to a page that'll take you on to the next. And I'm just going to leave here and go to Facebook in my Google Chrome browser. So go ahead and type in facebook.com/login/identify into your browser. And it will take you here. If you hit the Get Started button at the beginning, you'll end up here as well. This is simply you verifying who you really are. So enter your phone number or click here and type in your email address linked to your account, and then press search. Then you can use your Google account to quickly reset your password, so tap continue. And then choose your email address linked to your Facebook account. If Facebook considers your account threatened or detects suspicious behavior on your account, it may ask you to reset your password. So go ahead and change your password and tap Next. And then you can check and review all of the devices that are currently logged into Facebook. I am just going to select Stay Logged In and press Continue. And then you can save your password to make logging in much easier. And then it'll take you directly to your Facebook profile, where you'll be able to get it back in. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Please let us know if you have any questions about the tutorial in the comments section below, and thank you for watching.